Alright, so on this one it says what is the area of the base, so when I'm looking at my base, what shape is my base? A what? So I'm gonna go to my handy dandy reference sheet. And what do we wanna find out about the base? The area, so what word am I gonna look for? No, before area. So I'm gonna look for area. Is the base a triangle? So we're going to go from triangle, going to slide our finger straight over, and we're gonna write down this formula, which is A equals 1/2 little b little h. One half is going to stay 1/2. Little b means how wide is the base. How wide is that base? Remember, we're just looking at the triangle, the shaded part. How wide is the base? 48. And remember, we're only looking at the base. We want to know the height of the shaded base. So would it be 36 or 29? 29. Height is the pyramid. Height is the pyramid. We're only looking for the base. So it would be the 29. Multiply those numbers together for me, please. Aaron, would you please? What'd you get, Aaron? What you got, Brendan?
I got 864.
Speak where I can hear you.
864.
Thank you. Do you see the difference between little b and capital B? All right, now it says, what is the volume of the figure? So I'm going to go back to my handy dandy reference sheet. And we're finding out the volume. What are we trying to find the volume of? Is it a prism or cylinder? Hold on.
606.
Hold on. I'll fix it. Is it a prism or cylinder? Are we trying to find the prism or the
No,
volume
no,
of a
no.
prism or cylinder?
No.
Are we trying to find the volume of a cone or pyramid?
Yes.
So we're going to go over, write down our formula. And the volume equals 1/3 capital B little h. And RJ, what was you saying that was wrong?
On the last one, the area was 696.
600 what?
696.
Okay, so make sure you guys fix that. Brendan accidentally, apparently hit in a wrong button. Yeah, he typed in a wrong number. Thank you for helping me. All right, so it says, what is the volume of the figure? So V equals 1/3. Capital B stands for what?
Area.
Area of the base. And what is the area of the base? The 36, the 29, the 48?
696.
Well, that doesn't even come from the picture. Where did you come up with that? Oh, we already figured that one out. Now, this one has a little h also. Put your pencils down and look up here. When you're finding the area of the base, this little h goes with just the base, the shaded part. This little h, since we're finding it of the figure, we want to know the height of the actual pyramid. So we have two little h's. When we're finding the area of the base, you get your numbers from the base, the shaded part. And when you are finding the volume, your little h says, how tall is that pyramid? Okay? And how tall is this pyramid? How tall is it?
36.
And what am I gonna do with all three of my numbers?
Multiply.
Eli, do that for us. Okay, what'd you get, RJ?
8,352.
300 what?
52.
52, even?
Hmm.
Go ahead, me too.